Hello students, you're welcome in Suraj Brilliant Prints YouTube channel. So students, in this video you will find details how to make assignment. Okay, so don't worry, you will find all the details in this video. So let's start the video.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So students, first I tell you about assignment front page. Okay, so you can see this is the picture of a assignment front page. Okay, so you have to use of this. Okay, and you have to use good pen. Okay, for example you can use ball pen. Okay, gel pen. Okay, a good quality pen. Okay, so you have to use good pen. Okay, so students, you have to use of two pens. Okay, first pen is black, second is blue. Okay, so you will write a question on your answer sheet. Okay, with black pen. Okay, so you have to write question with black pen. Okay, and then you have to write answer with blue pen. Okay, according to rules. Okay, and you can say assignment pages by pages. Okay, with good handwriting. Okay, because if you write a good handwriting, so you can get more marks. Okay, because a good writing is attract. Okay, so examiner will be happy to see your good handwriting. Okay, so you have to write answer pages by pages. Okay, and then which documents have needs to attach with assignment. First, assignment front page, then your identity card. Okay, you can say your college identity card. Okay, third, your question paper. Okay, which subject assignment you are making, so you have to attach question paper. Okay, so you have to photocopy of every documents. For example, assignment front page, your identity card. Okay, third, your assignment question paper. Okay, so you have to attach with assignments. Okay, hello students, so you can see this is the assignment file. Okay, so you have to use your assignment file according to your assignment. Okay, for example, if you have submitted one assignment, so you have to use one file. Okay, so you have to write down your name, your address, your subject, and from to from. Okay, when you are submitting, so you have to write your date. Okay, and then you have to add your assignment with the front page and question paper. Okay, in this. Okay, and then you have to submit in your college. Okay, so students, you can see this is a assignment file, and this is assignment for example. Okay, so for example you have to submit your assignment front page. Okay, and so this is for example, and you have to submit according to the college rule. Okay, for example you have to attach assignment front page, and then you have to attach your identity card. Okay, then you have to attach with a question paper. Okay, and then you have to tick mark which question you have attempt. Okay, so for example you can see. Okay, so this is assignment for example. Okay, and then this is the assignment. Okay, and for your knowledge, so if you write assignment, so you have to follow some points. For example, you have to write down your course code. Okay, so you can see, and you have to write down your question with black pen. Okay, and then you have to write down your answer with blue pen. Okay, so you have to you have to write answer your according to passage. Okay, so you can say you have to write answer passage by passage. Okay, for example my assignment is stopping here, so you have to write assignment from starting point. Okay, so you can see the answer is written in according to passage. Okay, and passage by passage you can see one passage, second passage, third passage, fourth passage. Okay, so okay, and you have to write page number. Okay, one page, two page, three page, four page. Okay, so you can see Okay, 3 pages. Okay, so you had to write answer passage by passage. Okay, in good handwriting. Okay, so in last you had to write conclusion after complete your question. Okay, so these are the some points. Okay, so you had to write assignment like this. Okay, and then you have to submit. Okay, you can say these are the process to write assignment and submit your assignment in study center. Okay, so if you have any doubts, so you can tell me in comment. Okay, and thanks for watching.
अब अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।